Tiny paws in the morning sun, soft fur chasing everyone, feathered friends on the garden wall, big eyes blinking, taking in it all. It's a wild little world we share, every heartbeat, everywhere, from the river to the trees, running, crawling, riding on the breeze. Wild little world we share, wild little world we share. Slow steps through the tall green grass, whiskers twitch when the shadows pass, wings spread, drawing shapes in blue, stripes and spots in every shade and hue. It's a wild